How to replace a windshield wiper on a Honda CRV. This is good for models from 2008 all the way up to 2020. I am replacing the wipers on a 2017 Honda CRV model. They are 3 years old now, and they're starting to get a little dried out and hard. They're creating some white marks on the windshield. Not quite clean enough. So hopefully you're not choosing the first snowstorm of the year to change your blades. But as I went to Walmart today to pick up some early Christmas shopping, there was Rain-X wipers on sale. So half price, why not? I picked up a set for the car. Before we get started, please take a moment to like and subscribe. It's free and it'll help me out. Okay, let's get started right now. I almost forgot to tell you the best part, is you can change these wipers anywhere. No tools are required.
Okay, so as you can tell, it's snowing, and the wipers weren't that bad, but I'm seeing streaks across here, so I'm thinking, well, I'm going to replace them. And Walmart had these guys on sale, and I do like the Rain-X brand. So if you don't like it, you can leave comments below. So now, how do I actually change this wiper blade? Well, let's see if we can get around here. You see this little lever right here that I'm pointing to?
Okay, let's try this from the beginning one more time.
Okay, so if you push this bracket towards the back of the lever here and then push down simultaneously at the same time, your wiper will just slide right off. Now, don't throw the wiper out. Keep it as a spare in your trunk just in case something does happen to the replacement wiper. Okay, to remove the blade, you tilt the blade out of the way. See this little button right here? Just push on that button and then push down on the wiper blade, and that guy will slide right out. So now, you want to put this on correctly. What if this is facing this way and you're holding the blade this way? You'll see that this bump here, this needs to go on the opposite side. This will rotate 360 degrees. So you need to make sure that you turn the blade and have this down so it's in this position. Okay, so the smooth with the curve here goes into the smooth with the curve here. So then you just turn around and push this guy into here. And it's a gentle move. It's not like something you have to force or anything else. But you need to hear the click. Hear that click? That means the blade's locked in. It is also possible to just change the actual wiper blade itself by removing the skin and then replacing the rubber. I personally would not recommend doing this because it's really easy to break these small clips, and then you're driving down the road and your wiper comes off, and you don't want that.
J hook arms or J style arms. This is the style you're going to find on most new cars. It's the most popular, it's the easy to assemble and disassemble with no tools required. There are other styles. They're a little bit less popular. The pin style that my father had on his 69 Pontiac Parisienne. The bayonet style I had on a car in the 80s. If you want to see other interesting YouTube videos, check out my YouTube channel Ray's Fix and the parent channel Shop and Math. Please take a moment to like and subscribe. It's free and it'll help me out. All you have to do is click on the icon of my face and I'll do the rest. But hold on, we're not done yet. Make sure that you keep your spare wipers in your trunk. The reason for this is they are easy to break if you hit them in the wintertime with your scraper or something else along those lines. Keep in mind, the only time that you're going to be using your wipers is when you actually need them. If you find yourself in a situation where your wiper arm blew off or broke while you're driving down the street, we've all seen this in the wintertime. It's continuously hitting up against ice that has blocked up and barriered the side of the windshield. What you need to do is take a rag, your sock, anything, and put it on the wiper or the wiper arm so it does not scratch your windshield. You might think, oh, it's just a piece of metal, it'll slide back and forth. No, it'll scratch your windshield, and you'll have that mark permanently in your windshield. Hopefully some of the information helped you out, and don't forget, like and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good night.